Hello everyone, this is Vahita, Assistant Professor of MCA Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I'm here to explain a concepts about MC4102 Object Oriented Software Engineering subject. The concept we are going to see is of GoF design patterns. First, let us see what is the design patterns. The book Design Patterns Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software has 23 design patterns which are grouped together as gangs of 4 design patterns. So the GOF stands for gangs of 4. One of the most well-liked books to understand the design patterns was first published in the year 1994. Erich Gamma, Richard Helm, Ralph Johnson and John Blizitz wrote the book. Because there are 4 creators, it was given the moniker Gangs of 4 design patterns. Additionally, it was shortened to GOF design patterns. Now let us see about the types of GOF design patterns. 3 categories make up the GOF design patterns. The categories are creational, structural, behavioral. So the creational means the design patterns that deal with the production of an object are called as creational patterns. Structural pattern means the category of design patterns focuses on the concepts like composition and inheritance that relate to class structure. The next one we are going to see is behavioral. The design patterns that are behavioral in nature offer the solutions for better object-to-object communication, loose coupling, and future expansion flexibility. Now let us see about the designs used in the creation. The category of creational design patterns has 5 patterns, that is singleton, which is described as in order to prevent the creation of more than one instance of a class, a singleton pattern restricts the class initialization. Factory pattern. With the factory pattern, a factory creates new objects. Class instead of the class is in charge of creating new objects. Abstract factory. It creates a factory using factory classes, which is possible. The builder, step-by-step creation of an object and a way to obtain the object instance. Prototype. It creates an entirely new object instance from such an existing one that is comparable and then modified to meet our needs. Now let us see about the patterns for structural design. The Gangs of 4 design patterns book lists 7 structural design patterns. They are adapter, composite, proxy, flyweight, facade, bridge, decorator. And each one is explained as adapter is it allows two unconnected entities to interact so that they are able to work together. Composite, it is used when a part-whole hierarchy needs to be implemented. For instance, a diagram is composed of additional elements like circles, squares, triangles, etc. Proxy, it is used to restrict access to another object, create a substitute or stand-in for it. Flyweight, it leveraging immutable objects and catching and reuse of objects instances which consider the string pool. Facade, it wraps the existing interfaces in new interfaces to assist client applications. Bridge, the bridge design pattern is utilized to hide actual implementation details from the client program and decouple their interfaces from the implementation. Decorator, the decorator design pattern is employed to alter an object's functionality in real time. Now let us see about the patterns for behavioral design. The GOF design patterns list 11 behavioral design patterns, which are template method, mediator, chain of responsibility, observer, strategy, command, state, visitor, interpreter, iterator, and memento. Thank you.